Hi guys, thanks for joining me again today. I'm going to pick this Sargent assa abloy. I've only had this one for about 3 weeks, and it's coming to be one of my favourite locks to pick. I've not gutted this one yet. I wanted it to be on camera, but the videos that I've seen, it's just standard pins, and for standard pins the tolerances are amazing. Even just the bitting on this it's not that great, but it's giving me some fun. I could pick it in 2 minutes, then 5 minutes. I've had it in my hands for 20 minutes, not picked it. I really like them. I definitely gonna have to buy some more of these. See how long it takes me this time. It still moves. I keep getting caught on this warding on the pick. Using top of the keyway. Very light tension. Three's binding. Bit more tension so I can feel it click. Two's binding. A little click off two. Nothing on one. Four is. Little click off five. Another click off five. Another click off one. Reset again. It's really fiddly. I do like it. Three, two, four's binding. Let's click out a four. Another click off four. One's binding. Oh, there you go. Got an open. It's brilliant. I do like. It's my first one. I do like the tolerances on it. I know I keep on going on about them, but if it is standard pins, there's no counter rotation, so don't feel like any security pins. Let me just put this down a little bit. not going to show it, I'm quite confident they are standard pins. Nothing special on core, no counter milling, doesn't need it. Standard. I think it was that one. Yeah. No, let's look at the video again. All the standard pins. Got your springs in there. I'm not bothering taking them out. You know what it's like to get them back in. It's not difficult, but a bit of a pain in the ass. I'll show you the standard pins. They're all standards. Nice sharp edges. It's a fun little pick, I do like them. Anyway, thanks very much for watching.